I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Thunder Creations in Millbridge, Maine. And right now I'm assembling my new Inventables X-Carve 1000 millimeter CNC machine. You can see here. And originally I thought I would do a build video, step-by-step instruction on how to build it. And that would probably take a number of segments because there are several steps, a lot of little small components. And then I saw that the instructions that Inventable has online, just right on the computer, in fact you can check it out yourself if you're going to buy one. They're just so easy. They're very simple to go by. They have excellent pictures, excellent instructions. All the parts, even all the little fasteners, are individually packaged with part numbers for each step. And that just makes it incredibly easy. And so I thought that there was no sense in reinventing the wheel here and doing a doing a tutorial on how to put together an X-Carve. So what I'm doing instead, what you'll see in just a moment, is just a very fast, I sped up the video, very fast compilation of different scenes as it went together, just to give you a brief overview of what's involved. But you shouldn't be intimidated by all the small parts, because Inventables did an incredible job in showing you how to put this together. And there's a well-known YouTube creator, Steve Carmichael of the Carmichael's Woodshop. He's done a few videos on his X-Carve. And what Steve said is that it reminded him of a big erector set he had as a kid. And that's a good way to put it. It's like an erector set. A whole bunch of little screws and a little bit of, a few nuts and various pieces, but it is very simple. Just take your time. And what I also found out is that Inventables is excellent on customer service. It doesn't matter whether you call them, and if you do, you get a person instead of a machine, or you can email them and they get right back to you. But they're right on the spot. They're all about customer service. If there's a part defect or whatever, you call them up and they have it right to you overnight, whatever. I've never dealt with a company that puts this much attention towards customer service. I've been very, very satisfied, very happy dealing with them so far. They've just been excellent. And I like the quality of the machine. All the components that came through are excellent quality. Everything fits. All the machining has been done to exacting standards. Everything just goes right together. I haven't found any problems at all. I haven't had to do any filing or cutting or adjusting or anything. Everything fits perfectly. It's really, it's a wonderful company. They put out a fantastic product. So I'm going to stop blathering on. I'm going to show you this, this build sequence. I'm not finished yet. This is just the mechanical portion of it. I'm now at the point where I'm going to begin doing the wiring. I'm not going to even bother to show that. It's just hooking up a bunch of wires. Everything's already in place. The wires come through with little wiring harnesses. It's, a lot of plug-in. So here's the build sequence. Hope you enjoy it. And if you stay tuned, if you stick around, I'm going to give you a sneak preview of the Bugatti pedal car build that I'm working on. It's just a very brief sneak preview at the end of this video. So please subscribe so you're automatically entered in my random drawing giveaways that I have from time to time. And please like and share the video. Your comments are invited. I'd like to hear from you. And thank you for watching.